Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune. So today I'm at Autologue and you can see both of my bikes here. The 17 is also here and 19 is also here. So this video is mainly about how to install the Explorer kit. So this video is going to be a bit more in detail than my previous video. So not wasting much time, let's begin. But before I proceed with the videos, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon to receive all updates from me. So let's begin. Now do watch the video with all patience and don't forward and check. Before you begin the assembly, watch this video at least once or at least twice to know what needs to be done first, what needs to be done second, and where you're going to get stuck. So if possible, get some help also with you, so that if there are two people, one person can hold some stuff and another person can put the nut bolts in place and all. But if no one is there around, no problem, you can also assemble it single-handedly. It's not a problem. So do watch in detail and don't miss any part. But again, if you do miss any part, or if you have questions, or if you feel we have not covered it, do let us know in the comments and we'll reply with your with the feedback. Again, we're not showing you how to disassemble the wires and all. We are assuming basic things. You're going to handle it at your end. So again, even this bike too, we've not put all the wires and all. Especially my bikes, it's got a really mess because it had all fog lamp connection, aux lamp connection, all charger connection and all stuff. So it's all removed right now, but you need to take care of that yourself. So apart from that, how to assemble, what needs to be done first, what second, is all shown in this video in detail. So do watch till the end. So you need to remove the meter from your old casing, which is installed just on two bolts, like this one bolt here and one here. Okay, and your meter will be separate. We don't need the old casing, nor we need these old bolts. So remove the meter aside, remove the indicators aside, and keep it separately, which I'll show you next when we do the further installation. I'll show you where it is useful. So we're installing the meter in the Explorer cowl now. So this is the cowl that you'll get along with the bike, along with the kit, and इसमें आप वो मीटर अभी इंस्टॉल करेंगे. So आराम से करिएगा, कुछ घाई मत करिए किधर भी. So Autologue will give this screw, साथ में मिलेगा स्क्रू. ये स्क्रू यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली सिर्फ लगा के सिर्फ टाइट करना है. ओके, यहाँ पे बैठेगा स्क्रू. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक टू एलन बोल्ट्स. दो एलन बोल्ट्स, नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स दोनों रहेंगे, वो यहाँ पे से टाइट होके यू हैव टू टाइटन द मीटर फ्रॉम द सेकेंड पार्ट. ये बैक साइड से उसके अभी नट्स बिठा रहे हैं. एलन फ्रंट साइड से बैठ गया, बैक साइड पे इसके नट्स हैं. सो ये जो प्रेस क्लिप्स हैं विथ नट्स, ये ओरिजिनल में से निकालना है. रिमूव फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल, यू विल रिक्वायर इन दी. इसमें आपको इसमें लगाना है. अभी ये टॉप पे वापस यहाँ पे स्लाइड कर दो. ओके, मेक श्योर लूज ना हो, नहीं तो गिर जाएंगे और वाइब्रेट करेंगे, तो टाइट बिठाना. सो ये हमारा मीटर का पीस रेडी हो गया. नाउ इंडिकेटर्स वी आर नॉट फिटिंग इन दिस वन. इंडिकेटर्स इज वेरी सिंपल. आप हाँ, ओरिजिनल इंडिकेटर्स उसमें से निकाल के आप इसमें से बिठाना है. उसमें सिर्फ एक एक नट ही खोलना है. इट इज़ नॉट बिग थिंग, सो दैट्स वेरी सिंपल. So next we are going to assemble the headlight part. Headlight you don't have to separate from the main headlight cowl. You just have to fit the bracket that comes from Autologue. इसमें बिठाना है, नट बोल्ट से इसको फिटिंग करना है. So ये ब्रैकेट है, this one. It has got let me एक मिनट पूरा दिखा देता हूँ. ये ब्रैकेट आएगा ऑटोलॉक से फॉर हेडलैम्प. ओके, और ये यहाँ पे ऐसे जाएगा. दिस गोज इन दिस वे. सो यू विल गेट दो ऐसे नट बोल्ट सेट मिलेंगे. ओके, एक लेफ्ट को जाएगा और एक राइट को जाएगा. यहाँ पे होल मैच करके आराम से विथ पेशेंस फिट. डायरेक्ट घाई मत करना, डोंट रश, आराम से डू द इंस्टॉलेशन. So we are assembling the fender too along with the headlamp right now itself, so that it's easier later on. But you can install it later. It's not a big deal. It goes on 2 bolts. सिर्फ 2 बोल्ट डालने हैं, nuts and bolts. इसका होल, ब्रैकेट का होल, ओके, फेंडर का होल एंड जो ओरिजिनल हेडलैम्प है, हेडलैम्प का काउल, उसका होल, तीनों होल you have to match, all the 3 holes you have to match and put the nut from this side, bolt from this side and nut from the back and tighten it. That's it. So next we are going to install ये वाले जो plates है, we are going to install this on the headlamp bracket. So there will be one LH bracket and one RH bracket. So the pointed part should face upwards. The headlamp ka, this is the top part, this side, and this is the bottom side. So the pointed part should face the top. Again, all nut bolts will come with the kit. So these are 10 number nut bolts, 1 inch.
और ये बोल दो फुल टाइट नहीं करना है अभी.
Yeah, so don't tighten it fully.
फुल टाइट हो सकते हैं.
So you heard Irfan, he is Irfan, he is doing the installation. अभी ये पूरा टाइट नहीं करना, don't fully tighten it right now. Okay, once you put it on the bike, once everything is in place, उसके बाद last में you will tighten everything fully. Next you're going to install this top plate. It looks like this. It's got nuts welded on the back side. This is going to go inside over here. Okay, so you remove the old plastic that comes here, remove that and then install this. Okay, remove the bolt also. I hope it's clear. So we've placed it inside and then just one big Allen bolt will be there that you need to put inside and tighten it. This is how it fits. Okay. Next we are going to fit the bracket for right hand side. Okay, so this will go in behind the cables below. It goes in here. You'll have to stretch the cables a bit and then slide it down. It's a bit tricky, it is not difficult. मतलब जाएगा, आराम से जाएगा, patience, घाई मत करना किसी भी चीज़ में. So once the bracket is in place, bracket एक बार अंदर डालने के बाद, okay, ऊपर के 2 बोल्ट पहले बिठा के full tight मत करना, semi tight करना. Again you don't have to tighten anywhere, and there will be 1 bolt that has to be installed from bottom also. Again a 10 number bolt, which will go in here. So now let's install the left hand side bracket. It's almost a similar bracket. Again you pass this on below all your cables. This side is pretty easy because less cables over here. And then just put 2 bolts from top. So the brackets are in place on both the sides. Remember, you don't have to tighten complete bolts. Okay, all nuts and bolts, let them be loose now. Once the complete kit is in place, उसके बाद last में we'll tighten everything. Okay. So next we're going to put this assembly, the headlight assembly with the front fender. We're going to put it on the in this notch on 2 bolts as of now. So do this again with patience. Don't rush. आराम से करो. Keep 2 bolts handy so that when you bring the headlight assembly over here and you put it in the notch, so that you may ask someone to also hold it from bottom. Put some on your stock mudguard, put some cloth here so that by chance if this falls, it doesn't damage your current color and all. Okay. And you just put 2 bolts first. Nuts you can put later on. Again, all the nuts and bolts will be provided by Autologue. So we have installed the headlamp unit along with the fender. Okay, this is how the bike will look. Okay, it gives a nice look, but we are ready for the next steps now. So we'll install the side fender next. So to install the side panel, you need to remove this bolt from here, the screw from here, and second one from here. So you need to remove these 2 and the panel comes in and fits in directly this side. So this is the left side panel, and you just slide in and this goes in here. Tighten 2 bolts first, not completely, just put it in place. One this bolt and second this bolt. Okay. Now why we asked you to keep all bolts loose is because see, this was not matching. So now we've loosened that again. Okay, and then we'll match this. So don't tighten all the bolts in one stroke. पूरा टाइट नहीं करना है, सिर्फ जगह पे दोनों को साथ में रखना है नट्स बोल्ट को. इतना लूज रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. इफ यू सी हियर पूरा टाइट नहीं हुआ है, अभी गैप है बीच में. सो ये हेडलाइट का ब्रैकेट ऑल्सो यहाँ पे फेस टू फेस बैठता है. नाउ दी राइट साइड ब्रैकेट, राइट साइड पैनल, सेम वो बोल्ट निकाल के रखना है, ये बोल्ट निकाल के रखना है. यू हैव टू रिमूव दिस बोल्ट्स एंड कीप एंड जस्ट स्लाइड इन दी न्यू सेट्स ऑफ बोल्ट्स. So next अभी we're going to install the left right hand side headlamp का panel. So this is how the panel will look. Okay. This यहाँ पे slide in होगा, यहाँ पे अंदर. I'll let Irfan do it. नीचे slide होगा यहाँ पे. ये hole match करने हैं and यहाँ पे screw आएगा. That screw you have to bolt in the stock place. ये जो stock जगह है उस जगह पे you have to just टाइटन इट. पूरा टाइट मत करना ये भी. अभी फर्स्ट नीचे का असेंबल कर लेंगे, देन ऊपर का फुल टाइट करेंगे. सेम दूसरे साइड का भी पैनल डाल देंगे अंदर. डोंट अप्लाई टू मच प्रेशर. ज़्यादा प्रेशर कहीं भी मत अप्लाई करना, नहीं तो क्रैक हो जाएंगे पैनल्स या बोल्ट्स के थ्रेड भी खराब होंगे. सो नेक्स्ट एलन बोल्ट आएंगे साथ में. दैट यू नीड टू पुट इट हियर, नट एंड बोल्ट. सो एलन बोल्ट यू पास फ्रॉम हियर एंड बैक साइड पे लेट मी स्टार्ट द लाइट. यहाँ पे नट लगाना. सेम अप्लाई द बोल्ट टू दिस साइड टू. यहाँ से बोल्ट पास करना है एंड बैक साइड पे नट. जैसे दिस वन इज फिट इनसाइड. सी at this point almost assembly is complete. You just need to put the visor and then the meter box. So next we install the bolt for right hand side and we'll do the same for left hand side. So right side bolt is installed. Now we are on the left hand side. Once the bolt goes in from here, next from the inside you'll have to apply nut. Let me try to zoom in and show you position. Sorry, I'm not able to pass my hand. It's quite down here, this one. So next we'll install the meter. Now if you want, you can connect the wires first or you can connect the wires in the end. जैसा आपको अच्छा लगे you can do. So here's the meter assembly that we assembled before. Just slide it in and put the bolt from top, this and that bolt, 2 bolts, and then it will be the bolt here and there. So now we are installing the right hand side bolt. We need to align both the bolts, the holes, panel hole and the right side panel hole and the meter panel hole, and then slide the bolt and put a nut from bottom. Same on the left hand side. align both the holes and then just pass the bolt through it. So before putting this meter assembly, tighten all the bolts of the brackets inside. So which bolts? यहाँ के 4 bolts top के, then these 4 bolts यहाँ पे headlight के, then the bottom one out here यहाँ पे है, this one, tighten that, then these all, ये सब टाइट कर लो, and then last में you put the meter and then tighten those bolts, ये bolts also. So the visor installation is not tough at all. I mean, it's pretty easy. Just 2 bolts on this side and 2 on this side. Now this is a test piece. It's not a final customer piece. Even this whole kit is not a final customer piece. We just picked it up and painted it matte black to make a video. Let me take some clips after I take the bike out. So the complete installation is done, and now let me take you to my current bike, how your assembly will look, how your painted assembly will look. Sorry for the generator noise because lights have gone here, lights have been coming and going here. So this is how your bike should look after you assemble it completely and you put your all wires, cables back in place. Okay, it should be this neat and tidy. This is how it looks. Okay. All the panels and all fit very nicely. This is the tank area. Yeah, and only Zana guards fits as of now, especially on the UG. None of the other guards fit because you don't get easily access to the nut bolts inside. I mean bolts inside, and plus this distance is also important. So Zana had enough clearance over here, so you can see it here. So this is the only crash guard that fits perfectly, and even otherwise Zana crash guards are really well known. They're protected. You can check Zana Facebook page and you will see a lot of posts where people have shared accident bike pics with Zana, and Zana has posted on their Facebook. So that is one good thing. This is the assembly. This is the meter part, and from this side, from top, visor part. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can get in touch with Autologue again, or put in comments on my video below, and we'll try to answer them at the earliest and let you know the replies. Thanks for watching. This is Deepak.